Good morning, students, and welcome in the accountancy class. Here I have written the topic recording of business transactions. Already in my previous video, I have told you that there is a journal, first book for making original entries, and that is known as journal. So how we how we record the transactions in the first book of accountancy, that is known as journal, that I will teach today. And already double entry system is going on, and in double entry system each transaction has two affected accounts. So to save the time, I have already written some transactions on the blackboard with the two effects and their type and their moment are their type of accounts. So now see the blackboard very carefully and listen to me. Transactions, year 2006, January 1st. Mohan started his business with cash rupees 5 lakh. This is a business transaction and we have to record this transaction into the first book that is known as journal of Messrs. Mohan. As Mohan has started, so this is the journal of Mohan. This transaction, the two affected accounts are written. The first is cash account and second is capital account. Right? These are the two affected accounts. Already I have discussed, I have explained the type of account are two affected accounts. Cash account that comes into the real account. Cash account that is in the category of real account. And when the business is started, cash comes into the business. Right? So here I have written first affected account is cash account, second is real account, and first is cash account and it is real account, and cash comes into the business. So as per the rule of journalizing, rules of debit credit which is taught in previous video, cash account will be debited. Right? And the second account is capital account, which is the account of Mohan. This is the representative personal account, and that is that is personal account, owner's account, that is personal account. And Mohan is giver of cash. So giver's account is credited. It is as per rule of debit and credit. So now we have find out the debit and credit, and debit and credit will be written in the journal. Means the account which is debited, that will be written, and with the account which is credited that will be written in the journal. I am just explaining you some manners of journal. First of all, the year is written in the center, as I will write here, 2006. This is year written in the middle of the first column, that is date. Journal pro forma is already made on the blackboard. Date, particulars, LF means ledger folio. You can see the book, debit amount and credit amount. After that, the name of the month is written in short, January, and here you can write 1. As the transaction is on 1st January. After that, the debit effect is written in the first line, as I will write here. Cash account, and debit that is written at the last of the column. You just follow the style or the manner of making journal entry. Cash account debit, and in the amount column 5 lakh. This is the first debit effect is written first, and after the credit effect is written, after leaving a small space like this. 2. Capital account. Credit is not written. 2 indicates the credit. And in the credit amount column, that is written 5 lakh. Like this. After that, a short note is written in the bracket, being business started. And the particular column is closed. This is called making entry. This is called making journal entry in the journal, or this is called recording of a business transaction in the book of journal. This is the complete formality of one transaction. This is called recording. After that, the second transaction, that is on January 5th. Purchased a machine for rupees 20,000. 2 affected accounts are written here. Machine account is affected, that is asset, and cash account is affected. And both are real accounts. See, I have written real account and real account. Both affected accounts are real account. And then if you see, when the machine is purchased in the business, machine comes into the business. Machine comes into the business, that is why it is debited. If you have learned the rules of debit credit, then only you will be able to understand this. The second affected account is cash account, and that is also real account. And when we purchase anything, cash goes out. And what goes out? That is credited. So here we have found debit and credit of the transaction. So we can write here. After that, no need to write the name of month. You can write due, and here you can write 5. Debit will be written first, credit will be written in the second line. Machine account, debit is written at the last of the column, and amount is 20,000. See, my dear, the thing is written in the ledger folio. Ledger is the second book that I will explain later on in the next chapter. Machine account debit, and after leaving a small space to cash account, because cash is going out, to cash account in the credit column. Again we will write the narration, being machine purchased. If you have sufficient space, you can write for cash also. The machine is purchased for cash. After that, on 7th January, another transaction is purchase goods worth rupees 60,000. This is also a cash transaction. 2 affected accounts are purchases account, which is one of the goods account, taught very clearly, and second is cash account, and both are real account. Purchases account, because it is a part of goods account, it is real account. And when we purchase goods, that comes into the business. We are learning recording system for business, not for the businessman. So when we purchase, goods comes into the business. Goods comes into the business, so that will be debited as per the rule of real account. And when we purchase anything, cash goes out, so it is credited. So now, my dear, purchases, when machine is purchased, machine account is affected, but when goods is purchased, purchases account is affected. It is on 7th. purchases account debit, and amount is 60,000 in the debit amount column, and to cash account 60,000. Again, we have to write the narration. First line for debit effect, second line for credit effect, third line for making narration. Narration is a short note about the transaction that I have written, being machine purchase, being business started. After that, sold goods worth rupees 40,000. Sold goods. In this transaction, two effects are there. Cash account is affected and sales account, because it is a part of goods account, and both are real account, my dear. Cash account is real account and sales account. When we sell anything, cash comes. Cash comes. And when we sell goods, goods goes out. Goods goes out, our sales account goes out. So here cash account will be debited and sales account will be credited. That is on 10th. Cash account debit. Cash account debit. Amount is 40,000 in the debit amount column, and to sales account. Sales account 40,000. My dear, I have shown the narration place. You can write it. I have to save the time and to save the place. After that, on 15th, purchase goods from Deepak. One transaction on 7th, purchase goods worth rupees 60,000, and it is purchase goods from Deepak. It is taught that is credit transaction. When name is there in the purchase or sale transaction, that transaction is considered as credit transaction. So purchases account is affected and Deepak's account is affected. Purchases account is real account and that is goods account that comes, that is why it is debited, and Deepak account is giver. So giver's account is credited as per the rule of personal account. So on 15th, purchases account debit, and amount is 70,000. And to Deepak's account, Deepak's account 70,000. Here you can write the narration and close the particular column. After that, January 16 paid wages rupees 500. This wages, when it is paid, wages is paid, it is expense. So wages account and cash account, two accounts are affected. Wages is account of expense. It is nominal account, my dear, and expenses are debited as per rule of nominal account. Cash account is real account and it goes out when we pay amount for any purpose. Cash is going out. So wages account will be debited and cash account will be credited. That is on 16th. Wages account debit, amount is 500, and to cash account 500. Here you can write wages paid. My dear student, this is enough in this chapter. in this topic, in this period, you see the transactions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transactions I have written with the two of x type and its moment, and it is shown on the it is written or it is recorded in the first book that is called journal. So just learn the rules and try to record, make the proper pro forma and record the different transactions. Take full help of the book, my dear. This now this is enough. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.